you gonna do when it's raining all the time? That's the question.
Honestly, it depends. It really does. I love the rain. I love the rain personally, so it's hard for me to say, don't touch the skateboard out in the rain. It's gonna ruin your board. Hi, I'm Cody Enslow, and here on my channel, I'm bringing you competitive and fun content weekly, so consider subscribing if you guys like to see that mix. What I want to go over is the different cons to skating in the rain, since we all know it's gonna be fun. You can slip around, you can just have more fun with it in general. I love the rain. I empathize with that, but with skating in the rain, your deck is probably gonna get waterlogged, so it won't have any more pop to it. Probably going to need some new bearings if it gets some puddles and things that are infiltrating that. And then you're going to have to get some new hardware. Hardware is not expensive though, so that's kind of a minuscule little problem. Your wheels should be fine, trucks really shouldn't rust or have any issues. Overall, everything else should just be fine. What I'd recommend, and you probably see it all the time, would be if you do get your board in water and it's completely immersed, get it out immediately and then just throw it or do something to shake off the water and then leave it out in the sun. That should help get rid of most of the rusting issues, things like that.
Another tip is don't skate in the grass when it's wet because it can get in your bearings and ruin your board that way as well. To keep your skateboard from being ruined is not even necessarily skating too much in light rain. It's gonna be just making sure that your board is stored somewhere safe. If you leave your board outside, you're definitely gonna have it susceptible to the weather conditions, which can change at any time, especially where I live. I do not leave it outside, it will get ruined. I recommend put it in the back of your car, put it in your garage, somewhere safe, and then just grab it on the way out. I either have mine right by my door so I can grab it on the way out of the house, or I leave it in my car and then I grab it out of there. Alright, so we're finally at a decent park out here in Eagle Mountain, and Eagle Mountain is like pretty far away from society. Just kidding. Kind of out there, but look at the park they got. It's, I mean, way better than what I've skated before. Actually, the best park I've ever seen personally, so I need to get to more parks. Perfect place to kind of film. No one's here. I can do my own stuff, fail in front of you guys without the other people in real life watching me, because that's scarier. Let's skate this park.
Every part of skateboarding is hard and rewarding in different ways. Skate everything.
This is me in editing. Maybe it's kind of cool for you guys to see that, but remember when I said this?
I love the rain, so it's hard for me to say, don't touch your skateboard out in the rain. It's gonna ruin your board.
But you can also ruin your board. So what I would recommend is if you can afford new bearings, new board, all that stuff, go have fun with it. If you can't, it's your only board, I would just recommend that you stay indoors until the rain is gone, honestly. Or you find a spot that's covered, which is what I do.
Question I have for you guys, down in the comments below, just tell me, after watching this video, are you guys gonna be skating in the rain? All that's left is go ahead and again follow me on social media, like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you get notified for future uploads, and let's keep rolling downhill.